Okay, welcome back, guy. Today, we shall learn how to create a restaurant banner on our Android smartphone using our PixelLab as usual. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So, we are going to determine the size we are going to use. So, take it for instance, I want to combine the gradient. So, you go to the gradient area, the keyframe here, you are going to tap on it and select your color. So I'm going to select the color near to the red, but not that kind red. Okay, so I'm going to select something closer to red. So after that, I'm going to select the second color keyframe. I'm going to select that nearly to the red as well, but not red. Okay, so when I select it, I want it to be somehow sharp. I want the color to be sharp like this, and if I want this is how I want it. Okay, I want it this way. Okay, cool. Or if I don't, I can select something of this nature. Okay, depends on your choice, but I want to actually use something of this. So after that, the next thing is to go to the sticker. There is a white layer that will pop up. Just manage to tap on empty screen after tapping on it for you to be able to place it here. So what are we going to do next? We are going to go to the color. So we are going to select yellow color for us to be able to place that at the middle. So after that, we'll go into the gallery, select the chicken, okay, the plate of the chicken, position it to the center and have it lock. After you're able to do that, then you go back to your gallery, bring in the logo, select it to appropriate place where it's supposed to be. Then you go back to your layer, have it lock. Then you go back to your gallery as well, select the barcode which you want to use, position it to where it's supposed to be. Depends on your choice. I want it to be at the right while the logo should be at the left. Then I will manage to go to my layer and have it lock. Once I'm able to achieve that, then I will go back to the text area. So I will type what we call a chicken. Okay, once I tap the chicken, then I will go to the font, select a font called Leak Spartan. Okay, or I have it here. I will select or just pick a font called Leaks Pattern. So when I pick that, then I will increase the size. Just select appropriate like 150. Let me make it to be 150. So if it is 150, I will just manage to position it around here. Okay, then I will position it to the center. Once I'm able to achieve that, or I will move it up a little bit. Very cool. I'll position it to the center. Then the next thing I'm going to do next is to go to the text area and type the brand name, which is Xerox. Okay, then I will go back to the font, select a font. Let me select a Montezera. So I'm going to select the Mont font, the heavy demo. I will select that, then increase the size to 106. Okay, just make it to be 106 and have it positioned around this particular place. Once you are able to achieve that, then the next thing we are going to do is to put in a captivating write-up that need to be under the chicken. So you deserve the best meals. Okay, the best means every day. Then we'll put this. Okay, then we are going to go to the font area, select the font called Lux pattern, or let's select the Roboto bold condensed. Then we are going to reduce the size, position it under the chicken, okay, increasing the size a little bit. When it's about to reach where you're supposed to place it, then you are going to space the letter. Okay, then you reposition it to the center. There should be a little spacing between it. If it is overlapping, you can just reduce the size a little bit. Okay, perfect. Another thing I see here is to just bringing it to the back, bringing this down a little bit. Okay, cool. So I'm going back to my gallery, then I will bring the smoke. Okay, bringing the smoke, and you have its position. Have the smoke position. Okay, very cool. So the next thing is to go back to the shape, crop a shape like this, and I have its position. Okay, so I have to move this up a little bit. So I will position this here, go back to the logo, go to the logo and move it up a little bit. The two texts have to be moved up, including this should be moving up a bit. Okay, perfect. So that we can actually move the chicken up a bit. Okay, perfect. So after that has been done, then we can automatically move the we can move this particular shape. We can move it directly towards the chicken. Once we are able to achieve that, what is the next thing? I'm going back to my gallery. Then I will select what I've downloaded. Okay, sorry, I will bring this one in. The first thing is to crop them out because I have to position the two here. So I will first of all position this here, then copy, position this here. Okay, the two will just follow each other. Okay, perfect. Then I will put in the write up. So download the food app. Okay, cool. So we'll go into the text area. Then we have download the food app. Okay, perfect. Then I'll go back to the text area. Then I will select Matizera font, reduce the size a little bit, go into the color area, then you select the black color, black color. Okay, then we are going to position that very well, depends on our desire. Then we'll shift this down so that it could be able to accommodate the text and the two icon. Okay, perfect. Now let there be a breathing space in between the icon and the text a little bit. Okay, perfect. So another thing we can do at this juncture is to shift this shape a little bit up. Okay, it's perfect. So after that, we are going to put in the text. So copy. Then we have for your pickup and delivery. For your pickup and delivery. Okay, very good. So we are going to tap and position. If your work scatter like this, what do you need to do? Just tap the three line dot here, go to the recover, then select the last auto saved. If it is not reflect, it is not taking any effect, go to the recover and select the second auto saved. So you should be able to see your work, but the last action have to be redo. Okay, you have to redo it. Okay, because it will no longer be there and it will not happen like that anymore. So now you can edit and you go to for your pick up and delivery. Okay, so when you tap that, you can position that here for your pickup and delivery. So I'm going to shift them towards the end. Then I will manage to reduce the size to this a little bit, reduce the size, then have that position around here. Then the next thing I need to do is to go to uh, copy this and put in the phone number 0811626470. It has to be thick and bold. So I will go here. This is why I'm going to maintain the color for the background here, for it to be able to be brighter and show exactly what I wanted. So I will position that around here, very thick and bold, as you can see. Then I will increase this size a little bit. Very cool. Let there be breathing space in between the text and the phone number, so you can shift them a little bit, depends on your choice. Okay, depends on your choice, and you can leave it exactly like that. So if I want it to be, I will just reduce the text a little bit, reduce it a bit, why this is going to be reduced a bit. So once you are reducing the two, so what do you need to do next? We need to just bring in the call icon. So but before that, I'm going to merge the two together. Okay, after merging it, I will shift it very well for the call icon to be able to position well. I will manage to merge the icon and the write up together around this place as well, reduce the size a little bit. Then I will have it position around here, manage to position around here. Okay, perfect. Why these can just be managed to position around here too. So after that has been done, I'm not really cool with this. I'm going to change it. So let's say I change this. Uh, okay, very cool. So I'll position it around there. So now I need a social media icon, like a call icon, to perfect the work. So I will go in there, then go to call icon, okay, call icon PNG. Let's assume I don't have any. So I will, let me quickly do the stuff. So I will quickly go to directly to this place. Okay, perfect. I don't need to, I've already downloaded this, but I don't seem to see it anymore. So what do I need to do? I want to crop it instead of me downloading and following the protocol. So the next thing I need to do, since I have a circle shape in my display, so I have to use a circle shape to just crop them out. It will still maintain the quality. So just do it perfect, depends on your choice. So once I'm able to do this, I will just click on mark. So it won't show anything. Okay, what do I need to do after achieving that? I'm going to go to erase color, erase the white at the middle. Then I'm going to just manage to position this very in big form, position it around this place, okay, to cover both, but having a very huge space. So I'm going to reduce the size a bit. I've just shift it down a bit and creating a little space. Okay, perfect. Now shift this one a little bit towards the right and increase the size of the text at the top corner. So once you're able to achieve that, then the next thing we need to do is to increase, change the color to color of the background to be able to be cool. Okay, perfect. So now we seem to be through with everything. Okay, and this is just a tips on how you can go about designing a very cool banner for restaurants, for any kind of restaurants on your Android smartphone using your PixelLab. I believe we'll learn something from here. I'm thinking of using a Roboto, the lighter one, not the bold one. So we'll be able to give me exactly what I want. So this one seems to be cool, or either way around, it will be able to serve you better. Thanks for watching, guys. I believe we'll learn something from here. And if you want to put a finishing touch to this, you can actually go to your draw tools. So when you get to your draw tools, select the white, then you are going to reduce the size of the stuff. You are going to reduce it to 4. So after that, you are going to zoom out very well the part you want to draw. So when you're able to do that, then leave just tap on the zoom, and you are going to just make sure you perfect with this. So now I just do that once, and I guess it's cool. But if you don't want it, you can still continue until when you are able to. I'm using my hand to do that. So guess this is cool. So another thing is, and I guess this is cool, but I don't want it. Just have something of this nature. Not cool. Not cool. So let's just position, draw a little bit at this corner. So let's say we do something like this. Sorry, not cool. Not cool. Not cool. Or we start from here. Okay, guess this is cool. So I just position another one around here. Okay, this is cool as well. I can just manage to do it well. Okay, guess this is cool as well. So after that, I will zoom it. I will zoom everything, and now just back and tap OK. So I can just manage to position all these very well. So like this, or better still, I can just cut out some bits. Sorry, cut out this, copy. So after copy, you bring it out again so that you can have it position where you want. Okay, it's cool around there. So when you position it finish, you lock, then you can be able to adjust this. But I guess this doesn't have any issue. So position it, and you see it give you the accurate what you wanted. So thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Just have your work being safe with transparent, I mean with PNG format and ultra dimension.